How to change Instagram Explore feed. For that, you first need to head over to your Instagram app and launch it. Once you open up the app, all you have to do is now head over to your Explore tab by tapping on the magnifying glass on the bottom navigation bar. So as you can see, this is here the Explore feed. And if you want to change it anywhere, you first need to head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. And once you land on your profile page, what you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the top right corner on the three lines. It will take you to your settings menu, and on your settings menu, scroll down a bit until you see the option. Here you can see what you see contents, so click on content preferences. Then you are going to have an option to reset suggested contents. So go ahead and tap on reset suggested contents. And here you could also see your interested and not interested contents on your feed. So click on reset suggested contents. And what it will do is it will give you a fresh start. So you'll see suggestions about the topic that may be different from what you usually see, and resets can't be undone, but your suggestion will become more personalized again as you like, share, and interact. So resetting won't change you who you follow or your ad topics. You can also choose the updates those before you reset. So tap on next and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.